Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FaceApp for video processing. So let's get started. FaceApp, the well-known and sometimes controversial AI-powered selfie filtering app, is launching a new version. And then after updating, you see a new video option on the FaceApp home screen. Once you give the app permission to record audio and video, record a clip, play it back, and apply filters. For photos, tap Face Up to see your photos, or select Gallery at the bottom. You can apply filters like impression, hairstyles, makeup, skin features, hair colors, smile, age, gender, glasses, beards, and more. A one-frame preview is processed for you to check before processing the entire video. Once processed, the file saves to disk, and you're free to share the clip wherever you'd like. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.